भाई बुड्ढी का बाल पिंक कलर क्यों है? बॉल टू दैट। वाओ यू आर सो गुड एट दिस। वाओ नहीं नहीं आप कम नहीं कर रहे हैं। Hey guys, Peter Dash reporting and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm starting this vlog very late. It is I think 7:30, but this vlog all my Navelkar brothers and sisters will love it because I'm going to Naveli Fair, and this is one thing I would say one how you would say special moment that every Navelkar would wait for every year to go to Naveli Fair. I'm going by scooter because there's a lot of traffic, so there's not going to be any parking or I'll be stuck in the traffic for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. That's why today it's Peter on his Jupiter. So I reached and it is not crowded at all. Trust me, I reached within 3 minutes. I didn't even get stuck. And guess who's with me? As always, Shreya. You're gonna come with me on the giant wheel or no? This is Bikana guys. Only Bikanas. It's not that crowded. I actually thought it would be very crowded. That's why I thought we'll get stuck in the traffic. But no traffic, not much crowd. And I don't know why she's running. Oh no. भाई कितना इसको? कितना? 200 रुपए का एक। He said 200 का दो. Tell him 200 का तीन. Fast. Go for it. Go for it.
तीन दोनों 200 में
करो ना भैया हो गया 250 में 3 लेगा नहीं then I think purple you don't want.
yeah very flashy it is.
Shital, if you are watching, your keychain is here. Guys, if you know, you know. Ladu and Khaje. She just leaves me and walks away. In English, we call this cotton candy. You know in Hindi what they call it? बुड्ढे का बाल. But then बुड्ढे का बाल pink क्यों है? नहीं pink क्यों है बुड्ढे का बाल?
It's originally white.
हाँ? भाई बुड्ढे का बाल pink कलर क्यों है? नहीं बुड्ढे का बाल white होता है. Here you get softies. You get I think pav bhaji. And I think this is a dabeli thingy. But diet, so I don't eat. Hey, we'll play some games, no? We'll play. Yeah, we'll play. Let's see, today I'll try to win that bike, Doom bike. So let's try my skills today. Ball to, I don't know what you call that, but ball to that. You have to total up now and get a number. Like if I get, so that's it. 36. If it totals up to 36, I get that LED TV. Dad, I'm gonna buy you an LED TV today. This is not fair, guys. I got 19, but there's nothing 19 over here. So now Shreya's trying her luck. Let's see how much she totals up to. देख वापस है ना. अब क्या करता है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. Even she did not win anything. She got 21.
Okay, on the chart.
So you have to get whatever numbers on the chart.
20, but that's not 21.
Bhaiya, no thank you. Sorry dad, I couldn't get you the TV. This one? Okay, we'll go here first. 50 में दो. So in this, I just have to knock that out. And if I knock that out, I can win or pick whatever I want. Ball to cups.
Yuck.
वाह.
I went in the other one there.
वाह. चलो भैया, thank you. Come here. We'll try that biscuit game. भैया क्या करने का इसमें? Oh, it's a ring on the biscuit. A ring on the biscuit. Ring the biscuit, guys. आप आओ, आपके हाथ में डालते रिंग. आ जाओ, आप भी घर आ जाओ मेरे साथ. आपके हाथ में डालता रिंग. आ जाओ, हाथ दो. Wow, you're so good at this. Wow. Now I'm going around to see for some squeaky toys for Bailey because she prefers and she likes toys that make noise. But I don't really see anything like that over here. No? भाई कौन सा भी टॉय है जो आवाज़ करता है ऐसा पोंको पोंको पीकी पीकी? हाँ छोटे बच्चे के लिए. हाँ हाँ कर नहीं नहीं वैसा नहीं. वैसा बॉल भी नहीं 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 that she'll bite it off. Okay भैया thank you. No they don't have. You want to have gobi manchurian? क्या भैया? नहीं नहीं thank you. I'm trying to search for a toy shop but I can't find anything. I remember, you know, my days when I was in school. All my friends used to come here to the fair and stuff. It used to be like, it used to be so nice. But now everybody is so busy. I have to go alone. Which I have to go alone. Which भैया ज़्यादा लेगा तो कम करेगा क्या नहीं आप? करो ना भैया कम. ज़्यादा लेगा. ऐसा मत करो. कस्टमर को नाराज़ नहीं करने का.
वो टी-शर्ट है?
नहीं नहीं आप कम नहीं कर रहे हैं. नहीं 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 नो 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 करो ना भैया प्लीज़ कम. नहीं नहीं और लेगा इसलिए कम करो. भैया फुल सख्त भैया नॉट लिसनिंग टू अस. सख्त लौंडा भैया. एक आवाज़ है ना कस्टमर भगवान होता है तो भगवान को कभी नाराज़ नहीं करने का.
साइज एक ही है ना?
भैया इज नॉट मेल्टिंग एट ऑल and she is just picking and putting.
Don't tell people what I buy.
Guys, she didn't buy anything. She's not buying anything. Not at all. Okay, Bhaiya, thank you. Thank you so much. Bhaiya, nahi, fish ba mutti mutti. Thank you. Bhaiya was very sweet. Oops, I'm almost tripping. Bhaiya in the end gave us a good discount. I think I'm gonna buy this for Bailey. The duck. You like the duck also for? I think she'll lose this but misplace this. Blue, I think will look good with her. Blue will look nice. I was actually expecting a lot of crowd, but it's actually not that much. Very few people. Stalls also are okay. A lot of food stalls and clothes. The ride, like the giant wheel, is actually empty. I'll show you all. That's one big balloon. Bro likes it big. I can't believe the giant wheel line. There are like hardly any people. You can actually count them. Before, like the line used to be so much. You know, before when we used to come see, we used to wait in the line for at least like I would say 3 rounds, 4 rounds. No, really, it was actually so much. It was more crowded before. I don't know now. We go play that gun game over there. I think I'm gonna aim for green. Yeah.
Trying to stand up, you know.
I think outside is more happening than inside. No? Outside it's much better. Guys, tattoo doing guys, tattoo. Okay guys, so we are leaving from here now and I had parked my bike over here. Now my Jupiter reached inside over there. We're leaving. It was not that great. I mean, not like before. Or maybe I'm just expecting it like to be, you know, like before.
Maybe it's just the last day.
Maybe because it's the last day, that's why. So she came yesterday also and she's come today also. She just come to shop. She came yesterday to see what she wanted and today she came and she bought it.
I bought yesterday also. I bought it also.
Paishe barla guys. So I'm back home now and it's time to show Bailey her toys. First I'm going to show her the duck. Oh, baby duck. Okay, duck time on. This is when I say she takes everything to her bed, no, that's what happens. Now time for her to take mama duck. It's big. Ta-da! That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, do share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Peter Dias signing off. All mokes for y'all.